Alright, so we're going to show you how to download the contents of a form. So we're going to go to our form here, and once we get to our form, we want to select from this row of icons or this row of wording, more, and then we want to select export. You can select if you want to download specific users or specific discussions. What I'm going to do is uncheck post from and to so that it gets everything. And you can then choose whether you want to do a CSV file, an Excel, HTML, a JavaScript, open object notation, open document, or portable document format, which is traditionally known as PDF. So I'm going to choose to do an Excel. I'm going to actually check the box for remove HTML and then also make it human readable dates. So that way when you look at the post, it actually shows like a date and timestamp versus some just a series of numbers. So I'm going to check that. I'm going to select export. That downloads a file, and then I can open that up. And now you can see the original post. And you can also see a reply to that post, and that's how you can get the contents of a Moodle form. This is available in Moodle 4.0. So you can see the subject line here, and then you can see the reply to this original subject. So hopefully this helps.